Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to use the entire ventilation system on this car. So at the very beginning, if you would like to start using the ventilation system and start using the air conditioning, let's use this auto button. If you would like to disable it, let's use the off button. As simple as that. Now let's start from the beginning. So let's decide what temperature you would like to have. If you have enabled the auto, you can use the left dial to use and to choose how hot or cold you want the air on the driver's side, and you can do the same thing on the passenger side. It could be different temperatures or it could be the same. Let me use 19 for example. The lowest is 15, the highest is 29, I think maybe 30. Alright, let's go back to the 19. Then you've got front defrost button, as you can see. The ultimate weapon for the winter mornings. Pressing this forces the AC fan to blow maximum warm air directly at the front windshield to clear ice, frost or condensation instantly. Then you've got at the bottom the rear defrost, as you can see here. So turns on the wire heating grids backed into your rear window glass and your side mirrors to melt away frost, ice or raindrops. It turns off automatically after a few minutes. Then let's go next. Here you've got your AC button right here. Turns the cooling compressor on or off. Keep this running in the summer to blow freezing cold air, and in the winter to remove humidity and stop the window from fogging car. Then you've got the internal air circulation, as you can see right here. It blocks outside air from entering the car. It just recycles the air already inside the cabin. Use this if you are stuck in driving behind a smelly truck or traveling through a dusty area. Then you've got those buttons at the bottom. As you can see, this is the auto and off. We just talked about it at the beginning of the video. Then you've got the small fan and the big fan. Pressing the smaller fan icon to lower the blowing speed of the air vents, and press the larger fan icon to make the air blast harder. Let me show you. As simple as that. Then you've got the air direction keys. You can use the first one, blows air at your front windows. You can use the second one, blows air directly out of the face vents on the dashboard. Or you can use this third one, arrow at feet, blows air down onto your floor. Then you've got the sync button right here. It syncs the passenger temperature to match the driver's dial. If your passenger changed their side at a random temperature, pressing sync instantly snaps both sides of the car back into the exact same settings. So if you press here and now we just change the temperature, it changes in the same way. Here we can change only the passenger side, but here, if the sync is active, we just choose the same temperature. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.